हेलो एवरीवन। सो टुडे इज़ 11th ऑफ सितंबर और कल फिर निफ्टी एक्सपायरी भी है। तो चलिए बात कर लेते हैं कि हम लोग पिछले दिन क्या डिस्कस किया था। सो वी डिस्कस वेरी वेल दैट द prop decks आर लुकिंग फॉर एन एग्जिट इन द फ्यूचर्स, बट FIIs did long in the futures, okay, and that's why market will finally, if it goes down also, it will finally go up. That was for sure. So today in the morning, what happened was market opened a little gap up, and then like you always, I say that आपको fresh positions analyze करना पड़ेगा, otherwise you won't be able to survive in this market. So I saw that like here call buying was going on, okay, so by the big guys, they were buying calls, and I also did it like 19,900 CE. You see 955 bought at 85, okay. So that's where the big guys were buying. So if you see here 955, so this is the candle, okay, this is the very first minute of the candle. मतलब आप देखोगे कि मतलब आप तो बोलोगे कि ये ग्रीन कैंडल देखने के बाद आपने लिया, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। ये 5 मिनट का कैंडल है, आप जाके 1 मिनट पे देखो कि वी बॉट इट एट द वेरी फर्स्ट मिनट, ओके, ऑफ दिस कैंडल, एंड ये लेते ही मतलब फिर we got the move, okay, in just 2 minutes we got the move, and I mean the big guys got the move, and here then we closed it at like 85, took it at 85 and closed it at 110, okay. So I mean it's a very good profit if you see the percentage, okay, and so in even in premium terms, so it's 15 plus 10, 25 points, okay. So that was good, and not only that, like we shorted 90,800 P at 41, okay. So even like at 956 also, when I was taking this P short, so the move still did not come. Like just go and check in 1 minute chart. तो फिर क्या हुआ, from 957 and 958 it suddenly jumped, okay, and finally I closed that put writing here at 26, and that was like I was done for the day. But after that I shared some analysis, and those I shared it also on Twitter, and if you want such analysis, you see, again, this is the same Telegram channel where I share every day's analysis, which I daily show it on my analysis video. So there is nothing like I have three Telegram channels where I one goes long and one goes short, and gives screenshot and crops it, don't shows the Telegram channel, and fakes it, okay. So nothing like that here. So it's the same Telegram channel every day I show you, okay. And even I told you that after joining, if you don't see this Telegram channel where you are joining, so I'll give you 10x returns what you have paid me. Anyways, coming to the thing is that here when I said that, like, yes, I said in one of the tweets that some cash selling has started, so bulls were looking a little bit tired. So the reason was here, like here there was some cash selling going on. So if you see this region here, so here some cash selling was being done, but suddenly this volume candle came up, and then it's all started going up, okay. But also on the Twitter I mentioned in the morning the levels, okay, the line of control I mentioned here, that is for Nifty it was 19,930, और आप लोग देखिए कि मतलब निफ्टी concentrated near that region, and finally like it took support and then went up. So मैंने मतलब टाइम देखिए कि कितना बजे बताया था. So the time was 10:38 AM, okay. So I told that at 10:38 AM, and you see nicely worked during the day. Even for BankNifty also I shared here the line of control was 45,310, this line, okay. This line 45,310, and you see again BankNifty consolidated around that level and finally took support there and went up, okay. So if you are like if my analysis is helping you in any way, so please don't forget to put a like, so that I can give you more such analysis for the Twitter members. And if you don't follow me on Twitter, so please do follow me on Twitter for live market updates. Even I sometimes share the positions that I take on Twitter as well. And yeah, so now coming to the other analysis, that is FIs have bought finally today and DIs have sold. But again, let me tell you that these were also buyings. I mean, it doesn't, like, the data doesn't exactly show that in Nifty or Bank Nifty. It shows overall, that's why you see negative. But every day I said that don't consider this as negative. In Nifty and Bank Nifty cash buying is going on. आप जाके वीडियो देख सकते हैं जो लोग नया है, मतलब you won't believe this, but I said this, that every day cash buying is going on. Coming to our indicator, how it performed. So morning, yeah, it was showing strength. Like here onwards it started, like a score was showing strength, and then finally the spot price came up. But there is one thing, that is, I also mentioned that this gap was created due to the futures, okay? Though spot was going up, but the future price was not going up. That's why there has been a gap created. Even if you like see here, that is at the end here in Bank Nifty also, gap has been created between the money flow. So the money flow is down and the spot price is up. So let's see what happens. Even if you go on 1 day chart, let's go to the 1 day chart in Nifty. So you'll notice here that though, I mean, Nifty is at the same level, but the RSI has still not, like, there is some inclination here, okay, in the RSI. But yes, the RSI still has space to grow. We can't say that it is divergent or anything, but yeah, a little bit of divergence, because but again, RSI has space to grow. So we need to watch whether on a daily basis the RSI is catching up or not, or then otherwise if the divergence is created, then again 20,000 is going to give some resistance, okay? And even at 20,000 also, like some big guys were there who shorted, who did call writing, and now they are also trapped. So I think some kind of exit might be given to them, but let's see what happens. Even today call buying was done. So again, it's a mixed signal overall, but I'll come to the final conclusion, okay? So wait, let's go to the end of the day data. So end of the day data is suggesting that here, that is put writing has been done, but you see the FIs, they have done more call writing, okay? That was also seen the last day as well. Like if you see on Friday's analysis, आप देखोगे कि पुट राइटिंग से ज़्यादा कॉल राइटिंग हुआ है, और ये भी आप देखोगे कि मतलब कॉल शॉर्ट कवरिंग नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन बट देयर इज अ कैच, दैट इज अब जो मतलब फिर निफ्टी स्टार्ट हो गया है, और फिर आपका बैंक निफ्टी भी एक्सपायरी डेज आर डिफरेंट ऑन वेडनेसडे. सो द थिंग इज दैट you won't notice it if you don't, like I mean, see what could happen. Like some call short covering has been done in Nifty, but call writing has been done in Fin Nifty. So that would suggest that still the call writing positions overall is not showing any I mean the short covering, okay? So anyways, call writing आप देखोगे कि मतलब still FIs are doing call writing, but I also said in the last video, that is, this is the call buying. आप जाके लास्ट वीडियो देख लो कि many would think that this is just hedging, because this number is much lower than the call writing number, okay? But no, I said that this is call buying, and even the prop decks also, they did call buying on Friday, and today morning also they did. Coming to the data here also it suggests that call buying has been done by the FIs again today, and also by the prop decks. But they are still like so how does this happen, okay? So this can happen in one way, that is they can buy calls below and write calls above, okay? That is one thing that's they are expecting market to go up. Or else it can happen is that Nifty में इन लोग call buying किया है, and Fin Nifty they have shorted calls, okay? So let's analyze it. So we'll go to the option chain to analyze it, okay? So this is the overall scenario, that is all the FIIs, again I said recently, they are not united. Someone shorting, someone going long, but yes, the fresh positions matters, okay? So overall, again, if you see, notice here that the prop decks, they have done huge amount of put writing. So Fin Nifty put writers are obviously there, and also in Nifty also put writers are there, and even in Bank Nifty. So there is no doubt about that. Coming to the overall positions, so overall positions, if you notice, call writing and put writing almost the same amount for the FIIs, but for the prop decks, huge put writing, huge, okay, compared to the call writing. So that's the overall view. And coming to the other data points, that is futures position, आप देखोगे कि FIIs are still building up futures long, and also like they are slowly closing their future short positions, and also prop decks, they have today initiated futures long, but they have also closed some futures short. But if you notice one thing, that is for the prop decks, they are not closing their positions like all of a sudden. Like, why they are slowly closing? That's one point where I'm still not convinced that they are still not looking for an exit. So it might be that they are still looking for an exit or anything, but we have to be very careful about this data, okay? But ultimately, like, if there is a dip, so it would be a very good opportunity to go long. And here, if you see that today both prop decks and FIIs, they have done futures long. They have taken futures long positions, okay? And in option chain also, the prop decks, they are long. FIIs, they in call buying, they have done call buying, they are long, okay? Only the data, which is call writing data, is not suggesting, okay? So the whole data, if you just divide it into the strength of the bulls and the bears, so the bulls have almost like 75% strength, and the bears have almost 25% strength, okay? So it's all a game of probability. And again, as I say that you can't decide like what move tomorrow exactly going to come. You can't decide it with the help of the futures long positions, okay? Because they have time, okay? They have a lot of time for their positions to take them into profit. But coming to the option chain, yes, option chain, sorry, my camera battery died. So yeah, so yeah, I'll be continuing without the video anyways. So here again, the option chain, yes, option chain call buying has been done. We need to notice whether these call buying positions are getting closed or not. That is the first job of mine will be tomorrow, and or they are initiating further, and what they are doing with this call writing positions. Now coming to the coming to the option chain, if you see option chain 20,000, yes, 20,000 that is call writers are there, but 19,900 19,800, their call buyers are there, okay? So don't get confused. And but a little bit of call writers are trapped in the money at 19,900 still, but mostly call buyers are there. And talking about the put writing positions, you see 20,000 put writing has been done, and also below put writing has been done in Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, I forgot to mention this level. So this level, like the next resistance level would be at 45,775, okay? 45,775 would be the next level of resistance, and if Bank Nifty comes down, then the support will be at 45,100, okay? So coming to the Bank Nifty's positions of Bank Nifty's position, if you see, like some in the money call writers are still trapped at 45,500, and but here if you notice, like 45,500 put writers are there. So prominently you can see that the put writers are there from 45,500, and also like since we have resistance above at these levels, like if you see 45,800 45,800 to 46,000, so there also call writers are present. So here for 800 to 46,000, so if you see 46,000, that has a very nice, like one of the highest OIs there. So that's where like even the call writers are present, and they are still expecting that market won't be going till there by this Wednesday, but let's see what happens. Coming to Fin Nifty, tomorrow we have Fin Nifty expiry. So yeah, FinNifty expired 20,300. Okay, so 20,300. If you notice here that still the call writers are holding and the put writers are also still there. So what they do is the big institutions, they short both the sides, and then tomorrow they will be deciding where to take the market. So above you have these call writers present, and also if you look at the PCR ratio, it's 1.18. While if you see the Nifty and BankNifty PCR ratio, it's like 1.40 or 1.30. Okay, anyways, so doesn't matter, everything is looking bullish. But will the market continue the bull move tomorrow? That's the major question. And max pen is still at 20,250. So that's the thing, like at 20,300 still call writers are there, and we have to basically identify the fresh positions in FinNifty tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, if my analysis are helping you, so don't forget to put a like. And those who don't follow me on Twitter, so for live market updates you can follow me on Twitter. And if you want such analysis which I shared the big guys position on the Telegram channel, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator family and get access to the money flow live, and as a complimentary get access to the Telegram channel. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and please do share it among the other traders so that they can also benefit. And yeah, trade safely, and see you in the next one.